Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 6 Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Varnas Part 1. This comprises 10 questions. Question 1. We have many books that were composed in dash. The options are North India, South India, West India, East India. Your time to choose. And the answer is North India. So, we have many books that were composed in North India. Question 2. Around 3000 years ago, books were especially composed in the areas dash. The options are drained by the Indus, drained by the Narmada, drained by the Brahmaputra, drained by the Ganga and the Yamuna. Your time to choose. And the answer is drained by the Ganga and the Yamuna. So, around 3000 years ago, books were especially composed in the areas drained by the Ganga and the Yamuna. Question 3. Drained by the river means area dash. The options are of river delta, of river source, at which the river flows into the sea, which benefits from the river flow. Your time to choose. And the answer is which benefits from the river flow. So, drained by the river means area which benefits from the river flow. Question 4. The books composed in the area through which the Ganga and Yamuna flow are often called dash. The options are early Vedic, later Vedic, Vedic, middle Vedic. Your time to choose. And the answer is later Vedic. So, the books composed in the area through which the Ganga and Yamuna flow are often called later Vedic. Question 5. The books are called later Vedic because dash. The options are they were composed around 3000 years ago, they were composed before the Rig Veda, they were composed around the river Ganga, they were composed after the Rig Veda. Your time to choose. And the answer is they were composed after the Rig Veda. So, the books are called later Vedic because they were composed after the Rig Veda. Next question 6. Dash are later Vedic books. The options are Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda are later Vedic books. Question 7. Later Vedic books were composed by dash. The options are priests, kings, poets, scribes. Your time to choose. And the answer is priests. So, later Vedic books were composed by priests. Question 8. Later Vedic books described dash. The options are historic events of the time, medicines, day-to-day life of the people, how rituals were to be performed. Your time to choose. And the answer is how rituals were to be performed. So, later Vedic books described how rituals were to be performed. Question 9. The later Vedic books also contain dash. The options are rules of society, medical remedies, astronomical events of the time, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is rules of society. So, the later Vedic books also contain rules of society. Last question 10. Around 3000 years ago, there were dash groups in society. The options are few, 4, several different, 5. Your time to choose. And the answer is several different. So, around 3000 years ago, there were several different groups in society. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Varnas part 1. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Varnas part 2. I'll see you there.